So you probably can't hear me because of the blowers. 1 minute. I'll turn that wiper off. So I'm just about to go and see a new car. Hopefully I've got a new car for the challenge. Picking up my bro Scott. Hi Scott.
Hello friend.
And yeah, I can't tell you what it is. I can't tell you what it is either. Not on camera anyway.
On camera?
Yeah, because we're going to look at a new car, aren't we?
Oh, we are indeed, yeah. For a
New
trip.
car.
Off on a trip across the world, but not really.
Not really though.
Close enough.
Requirement. Monster Energy for £1, man. You can't. Oh no, mine's not. I think it's just the normal one. It's £1. Are you getting munch? Are you getting crisps? Is that you? You always go for savoury crap, man. I'm getting like straight munch. What you got? They're gonna stink in the car, man. Ooh, Oreo bites. Oh, I'm getting them. Kinder Minis, man, for £1. Who cares?
Money.
Those please, and pump, whatever pump that is, pump 5. Food's what?
Food's alright.
What did I do?
Like,
oh, I like that. There's a roof. It's like just a roof so you can get in and out. That's awesome.
small distance for a reason.
There you go, cash
Are you
machine.
just gonna pull up there and walk around them?
No, I'm just gonna walk to the cash machine. I'll get wet though. I'm just gonna walk to the cash machine. I'm getting wet. Scott just casually laughing at my wet face.
Gotta drive all the way to Starbucks. It's a long distance.
That's a very long way. Do you want to take over?
I think we're gonna make it really.
I just started re-recording when I got cash out.
It's so crispy clean. Funky crispy clean.
It's a good light image, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Definitely the best choice.
I'm just glad you finally abandoned fucking Sony.
What's wrong with Sony, man?
What's right with Sony, man?
JDM, yeah.
Bollocks!
Sony's JDM, yeah.
Overpriced.
Probably not made in Japan.
Ever. No seatbelts because no banter. Safety first! Safety first! Oh, I don't think we're going to get time for Starbucks, it's so far away.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
I have no idea. I just can't see it coming anywhere. Oh no, there it is!
Fuck, should go behind a mini drive.
We go in drive-thru.
If there's anybody in drive-thrus, it takes forever with mini drivers.
Every time.
Especially soft top minis.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm going to be going straight from here, aren't we?
I have to owe the money though. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay. What do you want?
That'll be a cappuccino.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi there, mate. Can I get a regular Americano, no milk, no sugar?
Regular Americano with no milk, no sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, anything else?
Yeah, can I get a
Cappuccino.
cappuccino, please?
Yeah, what size?
Regular.
Regular.
Yeah, anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Just drive around.
Cheers, mate.
Just drive around please.
I know you like just told me you wanted a cappuccino like seconds before, but the pressure got to me, man. Oh dear God, the pressure was unreal. She's actually going through the drive-thru really quick. I was expecting like a full order. Are you zooming in on my dust?
Yeah, your dust board.
Dust board. On the Civic dust board.
Indeed. Better hope to God you got the biggest memory on this phone ever because it's going to be filthy.
Yeah, it's like well big.
Oh, it's the biggest fucking memory, bro.
You don't know, man.
You went there. Hey, when people hold it like the top part.
Thank you.
Fucking dogs.
Right, I'm just gonna pull forward a bit. Then we'll talk about
Brandy cappuccino.
Is that a cappuccino? Is that Americano?
It's a cappuccino.
Yeah, I can tell by the put one in your gear. The thing is, after doing these, we should like abandon the shit out of the car like that. That's when it rains on again.
Pass this back over to you for a second.
So you're doing your test?
Lessons first, isn't it?
Doing your test? Doing lessons?
Doing the drives.
Doing things?
Finally getting it meant to do the drives.
Just taking the case off so I can just put it in the wallet.
I would not trust.
Hold it. Did it vibrate there?
That's a serious concentration face
Does
there.
it sound right? I'm watching it like shake. Real vibrations. Cool vibrations. So you're gonna do your lessons? It burns. Finally.
Yeah, finally after at least 10 years longer than I should have been. About the time I actually get on the road and become a hazard like you've been for so
Become a
long.
hazard. I like just become another hazard that's on the UK road.
Another regular hazard, but that has a certificate to say I can be.
Yeah.
My mind's already a lethal weapon. My driving may as well be soon.
So what are you thinking of cars wise?
There's been a few in the head between the dream of cars I can never afford to something I can beat around on the road at the moment.
What are you thinking? What's the three you're thinking?
Well, you know I've been thinking like the Swift just because small is cheap. I want something small, I want something I don't give a shit about.
They're probably cheap in insurance as well.
That's what I'm thinking. And the other side was the 206 just because slightly bigger, bit bulkier. Not that much bigger, but still.
Yeah, but it's French.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why it's ranked 3, but I was also
Just completely disregard that one. Next.
And the last one would be kind of like a relatively new shape Fiesta. Just purely because
I do
cheap parts,
like
cheap repairs.
If you're gonna get one, you want the 1 litre turbo engine because they're just.
I ain't gonna go any bigger. I was screw my insurance over.
But they do a normal 1 litre, I think, in the first of the new shape, and then they did a facelift and put the 1 litre turbo in, and that's like if you're getting like a first car, that's like the one I'd get.
It's where I feel like going because I'm looking at anything that is like I'm looking at like maybe a £2,500 to £3,000 budget.
Yeah.
For your first car, but then again, I could go cheaper just for the sake of having it for a year. You know, something just to beat around and not really give much of a shit. But then again, I don't intend to crash. So we'll see what goes on.
Nobody intends to crash. I haven't crashed once yet.
Yeah, I work in Bradford now. I'm fucked.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm now my insurance.
I think I've got 9 years no claims now.
See if I can beat that.
Yeah, man.
I'm surprised you got no claims to be honest.
I don't know.
You're fucking risky with a hazard on the road.
Anyway, bro. So I'm gonna probably call it there for now. Cue time lapse of motorway driving, which is probably gonna be about an hour.
Long time.
But yeah, to be fair, what you just said is probably gonna lead really nicely into the next video. Scott looking for his next car. I'm gonna put a video up of first car, what sort of things you'd look at, what sort of things you'd take into consideration, what costs involved, things like that, and how you should avoid finance like the plague. So
If you can pay it, pay it.
yeah, man. Anyway, in a bit.
See, Danny didn't have the foresight to do this, but I do. We have arrived at said destination, and yeah, still fucking pissing it down like. Have a gander around. Oh, there it is. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this little transaction-y dealy thing will actually go pretty well. See, there he is. Look at him go. But yeah. Sat in the lovely, lovely rain in the middle of fucking nowhere though. After eventually getting lost and finding it again. Because we ended up down a street in the middle of fucking nowhere. Which is just completely fucking ideal, as you can imagine. I'm swearing a lot. I mean, this is getting demonetized if I ever had a video getting demonetized. But yeah. So, preach.
So I've just arrived at the place where I'm going to have a quick look at the new car. Obviously I won't tell you guys what it is yet, but because the weather's so bad, like you can see it's absolutely belting it down at the minute. The guy's actually going to let me pull it out, have a look at it, hopefully bring it inside so I can have a good look at the car. Yeah. On the way here, there was a bit of a bad turn on the motorway. There was an accident actually on the motorway, like there were about 4 or 5 cars involved. I don't know how much of it we actually got on camera because my mate was in the passenger seat, Scott, trying to get it. So yeah, I'll probably show you a bit of that now while I'm having a look at this car. Yeah man, I'll get a copy of that as well. So that's everything in the list. That's everything in the list that he's keeping, I'm keeping. Agreed at 3:30. You can hear it in the background. 3:30, £50 deposit. £50 sir. Thank you very much.
Sign it.
Yeah, that's cool man.
Take that with you.
Cool, nice one man.
Deal.
Cheers man, thank you very much. I shall be back for it in 1 week.
A few moments later.
So thanks for joining me, that was it for recording after that quick time lapse. It was just too wet. The day just went on for so long as well, and I needed to quickly get home, get a few bits done. But yeah, I dropped Scott off. It was too wet, I had to change my t-shirt. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that particular car. Hopefully that's the car for the channel. Hopefully I'm going to build that car up with the channel. And yeah, it's got aircon as well, which my car doesn't have. It's a JDM import, so JDM all the way. Yeah, looking forward to it. Need to, basically get a few parts for it. It is a bit rusty. The car, when I went to view it, it was a very honest car. If you don't really know what that means, then it's just that, what you see is what you get. There was surface rust on it with it being a Japanese import. It wasn't undersealed as well as what UK cars were, or the EUDM cars were. EDM cars, however you want to say it, European cars. But yeah, so there's quite a lot of surface rust. I need to get an angle grinder on that where I can, get it all undersealed, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, hopefully that's the car for the channel. I'll be building that car up, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get another car as well to run around while I'm doing that build, to do little things to that as the weeks go on. Yeah. So yeah, that was Scott, one of my very good friends who joined us as well. Scott's just about, as you probably caught on from the video, just about to start his test, start his learning driving, doing his lessons, and he's asked me obviously what car to get, also how to insure it, things like that, so I might do some videos on that as well. The next video hopefully will be me collecting the car, or one of those particular videos. I do need to trailer the new car away, as it's not got any tax, not got any test, it's currently sawn, so that's, for people watching this outside of the UK, that's statutory off-road notification. But yeah, as you can see, I'm still soaked from the weather. Yeah, I'm going to call the video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, give us a like, thumbs up, always helps. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. See ya, bye.